Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and today we're going to be discussing the Southwest Companion Pass, what exactly the Companion Pass is and how to earn it in 2021. The Companion Pass is one of the highest values in travel rewards, but it is a little tricky to get your hands on. So I'll specifically be going over 3 different ways that you can earn the Companion Pass by opening credit cards. Diving right into it, what exactly is the Southwest Companion Pass? Well, it's pretty simple. The Companion Pass allows you to take one companion on every one-way Southwest flight that you book within the calendar year that you earn the pass and the following calendar year. So the Companion Pass is going to allow you to take a designated companion with you on any Southwest flight that you take whenever you hold this pass. You'll just have to pay the taxes and fees for your companion's flight, which is pretty minimal. It comes out to about $6. This pass is especially valuable because you can take any companion on any paid flight or award flight that you book. So basically, if you have a bunch of Southwest rewards flights, you can book a flight for yourself. And if you have the Companion Pass, you can take somebody with you. So you're paying pretty much nothing for this flight. You can only have one designated companion at a time, but you can change your designated companion up to 3 times within a calendar year. So it's pretty obvious that if you have the Companion Pass and you regularly are traveling with somebody, you're going to save a whole lot of money throughout the year. So how exactly do you earn this golden ticket of a Companion Pass? To qualify for the Companion Pass, you're going to want to do one of the following. Either fly 100 one-way Southwest flights within a calendar year, or earn 125,000 rapid rewards points within the calendar year. And like I said before, once you earn the Companion Pass, you'll have it for the rest of that calendar year and the following calendar year. So say you earn the Companion Pass in May 2021. You'll have the Companion Pass throughout the rest of 2021 and also through December 2022. If you're really smart about it and you've mapped out a plan to earn the Companion Pass in January, then you're essentially going to be getting the Companion Pass for 2 full years. So remember, there's 2 ways to earn the Companion Pass. You can either take 100 Southwest flights or earn 125,000 points in rapid rewards. But the first option is really tricky, right? Because unless you're flying 2 Southwest flights pretty much every week for the entire year, you're not going to hit this 100 flight number. For most people, the easiest way to earn this pass is going to be those qualifying 125,000 rapid rewards points. And you can earn these points in multiple different ways. You can earn the points through revenue flights booked through Southwest. You can earn them through Southwest credit cards, and also through base points that can be earned through Southwest partners. And as you might have guessed, the easiest way to hit these 125,000 qualifying points is through sign-up bonuses offered through Southwest credit cards. So let's now go over these credit cards. Southwest offers 5 different credit cards, 2 different business credit cards, and 3 different personal credit cards. And as you might imagine, there are multiple different ways that you can use these in combination with each other to earn the Companion Pass. The 3 personal use Southwest cards that are available are as follows: the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier credit card, and the Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority credit card. Each of these actually have the exact same minimum spend requirements and sign-up bonus potential. With each of these cards, you'll be able to earn 50,000 points after you spend $2,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of owning the card. Plus, you'll be able to earn an additional 30,000 points after you spend $10,000 on purchases within the first 9 months from opening the account. But each of these have pretty different annual fees. The Plus credit card has a $69 annual fee, the Premier card has a $99 annual fee, and the Priority has a $149 annual fee. And obviously, there are definitely some perks that differentiate the upgraded cards as opposed to the Plus credit card. But honestly, if your main goal is to earn the Companion Pass, then I'd recommend just going for the Plus credit card, because that one is going to give you the same amount of sign-up bonus points as the other ones. Jumping over to the business cards, there are 2 different cards available for you to choose from. The first one available is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card, and the second one is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Credit Card. The Premier Business Credit Card has a $99 annual fee, and you'll be able to earn 60,000 bonus points if you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months of opening your account. With the Performance Business Credit Card, you have the potential to earn up to 100,000 points. You'll first earn 70,000 points if you spend $5,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of opening your account. And in addition to this, you'll earn 30,000 bonus points if you spend $25,000 total on purchases within the first 6 months of opening your account. And this card has a $199 annual fee. And it should be noted that with all of these annual fees, they are not waived your first year owning the card. So once you own that card, that annual fee is going to hit on your first monthly statement. Now, before you open up a bunch of applications to these cards, trying to get that 125,000 qualifying points for the companion pass, some things should be noted. Keep in mind that Chase has restrictions to Southwest personal credit cards, and these are specifically related to the sign-up bonuses from these cards. You're actually not able to have 2 Southwest personal credit cards at the same time. So you're not going to be able to open up a new Southwest personal card if you already own one, or if you've earned a sign-up bonus on one of the cards within the past 24 months. You'll also want to make sure that you're definitely under Chase's 524 rule. If you haven't heard of the 524 rule before, this basically means that Chase will not approve you for a new card if you've opened up 5 credit cards within the past 24 months. And it should be noted that business cards don't count towards the 524 rule, but you need to be under 524 to apply for a Chase business card. It's also worth noting that you can apply for a business credit card even if you don't officially own a business. I have a video talking all about applying for the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card and how I was able to apply for and get approved for this card by using my eBay business, which really doesn't bring in a lot of money throughout the year, and I just applied as a sole proprietor. If you're interested in applying for a Southwest Business Credit Card, I'd recommend checking out that video because the Southwest Business Credit Cards are going to ask you the same questions as the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card. And now let's move on to the fun part, which is the 3 different ways that you can earn the Companion Pass in 2021 using credit cards. By far the easiest way to earn the Companion Pass is just by opening up one card, and that is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Business Performance Credit Card. I think I said that wrong. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Credit Card. This is the one we talked about where you can earn 100,000 points if you just hit the minimum spend within 6 months. So like I said before, you can earn 70,000 points on this card if you spend $5,000 within the first 3 months of owning the card. Then you can earn an additional 30,000 points if you spend $25,000 total within 6 months of owning the card. So now you've earned 100,000 points. But the key thing here is every time you spend with your Southwest credit card, you earn 1 point per $1 spent. So if you're already spending $25,000 to hit a minimum spend, you're going to earn an additional 25,000 points. And if you're doing the math in your head, this takes you to 125,000 rapid rewards points, which is exactly what you need to get the Companion Pass. So essentially, if you open this card and spend $25,000 on it within the first 6 months of owning the card, you're going to get the Companion Pass. This is a pretty fantastic option if $25,000 is reasonable for you to spend within 6 months. For example, if you own a business where you're spending a lot regularly and that $25,000 is pretty easy for you to hit, this is a fantastic option. But for a lot of people, myself included, this $25,000 is really hard for me to hit in 6 months. And obviously I don't want to be spending money that I don't need to in order just to get this Companion Pass. Let's move into the second option, which involves opening 2 cards to earn the Companion Pass. The first card is the business card that I've already talked plenty about, and that is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Credit Card. So this time around, you're still going to be opening up that Performance Business Credit Card, but you won't have to hit that $25,000 minimum spend. Instead, you're just going to have to hit that $5,000 minimum spend within 3 months. And for this, you'll get 70,000 rapid rewards points. And like I said earlier, you're also going to earn points on the money that you're spending in order to hit these minimum spends. So since you're hitting that $5,000 minimum spend, you're going to earn 5,000 points on top of this. So really, this business card is giving you a total of 75,000 rapid rewards points towards your Companion Pass. The next card you should open up is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card. And this is a personal credit card card where you're going to earn 50,000 points when you spend $2,000 within the first 3 months of owning the card. And like I said before, there's potential to earn more points if you're spending more money within the first 9 months of opening the card. But for the sake of the scenario, let's try and keep the minimum spend low. So by opening this personal use credit card, you're going to earn 50,000 Southwest Rapid Rewards points, plus an additional 2,000 points from the $2,000 you've spent towards your minimum spend. Adding these together, you have your 75,000 Rapid Rewards points from your business credit card and 52,000 points from your personal credit card, which brings you over the threshold for the qualified points towards your companion pass. The great thing about this approach is there's a lower minimum spend threshold. With these two cards, you're going to have to spend about $7,000 in about 6 months, which is pretty reasonable for most people. It's also a pretty easy system. There's only 2 cards involved. But you have to keep in mind that each of these cards come with their own annual fees. So the total number of fees for both of these cards is $268, which is pretty steep. But if you do maximize your benefits with the companion pass, this can be easily made up, especially because you're earning a bunch of these Southwest points that you can spend on flights for yourself, and your companion can just come along with you on these flights. If you are smart about it, you can really maximize your benefits from this companion pass. So onto the third way of earning the Southwest companion pass. This way is a bit more complicated than the other two, so you'll have to stick with me here. So the first stage of this is applying for a Southwest business credit card and a personal credit card. Similar to what we did in the last scenario, but in this scenario, I am applying for the lower grade Southwest business card, which is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card. Like I said before, with this card, you'll earn 60,000 points when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months of owning the card. And as we know, this adds up to 63,000 Rapid Rewards points in total, once you've added in those points you've earned actually spending towards that minimum spend. You're also going to open up the same personal card that I talked about in the last scenario. This is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card, and this will earn you 52,000 points in total whenever you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months of owning the card. So if you're doing the math along with me, you'll realize that we've now added up to 115,000 Rapid Rewards points, which is just 10,000 points short of earning the companion pass. The next step is going to be utilizing Southwest credit card referrals. If you refer a Southwest credit card to a friend or family member, you'll earn a total of 10,000 points for that referral. So if you refer a Southwest card to your companion that you're going to be taking on these trips with you, then you can reach your total 125,000 Rapid Rewards points, which will earn you the companion pass. And Southwest actually has a pretty good referral program. You don't have to have the exact card that you're referring to your friends or family. You essentially just need to refer a Southwest credit card using your designated link, and if the person you're referring for the card gets approved, then you'll automatically get those 10,000 points. The cool thing about this way of getting the companion pass is that you have the potential to actually get the companion pass sooner, because you're getting a smaller minimum spend requirement. You essentially just need to spend $5,000 within a 6-month time frame of opening these two cards. Your companion also has the potential to earn a bunch of Southwest points as well if they hit a minimum spend of $2,000 within 3 months, which really isn't too bad. And the total number of fees between these 3 cards is $237, which is actually less than the number of fees from the 2 cards in the last scenario. And the main downside to this approach is that it is more complicated because you need to open up 3 separate cards. But as I said before, the minimum spend is lower, which has the potential to actually get you the companion pass sooner and start saving sooner. This is Courtney from the future jumping in to say that as of filming this video, there have been some changes by Southwest that could impact your companion pass status. For all Southwest Rapid Rewards members that open their Rapid Rewards account before December 31st, 2020, you're going to be receiving 25,000 qualifying points toward your companion pass status and 25 qualifying flights toward your companion pass status. So basically, if you opened a Rapid Rewards account before 2021, you're going to be automatically granted 25,000 points that will boost you towards the companion pass. So if you're trying to open up credit cards to get the companion pass, you're only going to need 100,000 qualifying points now if you indeed had a Rapid Rewards account before 2021. For example, in that last scenario that I outlined, you wouldn't need those extra 10,000 points that you get from referring one card to another. If you qualify for this point boost, you're automatically going to be getting those 25,000 points added to your account. It's also worth noting that you won't actually be able to use these points for flights. They are strictly for earning the companion pass. Southwest just wants to give you this boost, so it's a little bit easier to get the companion pass in 2021. Okay, now back to the video. So there you have it. That's all you need to know about earning the companion pass in 2021. I know there was a lot of information in this video, so feel free to watch it again to absorb it all and really plan out your strategy for the companion pass in 2021. Please let me know in the comments below if you plan on trying for the companion pass in 2021, or if you're planning on waiting for 2022 in order to really maximize those benefits. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content of today's video, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.